write a program that adds 4-byte integer stored in consecutive memory locations starting from 2200H, beginning with lower order byte, to another 4-byte integer stored in consecutive memory locations starting from 2300H, beginning with lower order byte. Store the result in consecutive memory locations starting from 2300H or 2300H. That means either to 2200H or 2300H. Here memory location indicated in yellow is represented with HL register pair, and memory location indicated with green is represented with DE register pair. Here beginning with lower order byte, that means here 46 becomes lower order and C9 becomes higher order of that 4-byte integer number. Similarly, here B2 becomes lower order and 4E becomes higher order, and you have to add the contents and store the result either beginning from memory location 2200H or 2300H. Here in this program we are going to use the instruction add along with carry, ADC, add along with carry, that is ADC. M means memory, M means memory, content of memory added along with carry. If carry is generated from least significant byte, it is to be added to the next. If carry is generated from next, it is to be added to the next along with the two numbers. If carry is generated from it, it is to be added to the next along with two numbers. We are using ADCM. When we are using ADCM, the content of carry along with the two numbers gets added. But when we add the least significant bytes, at that time the carry flag should be 0. At that time the carry flag should be 0. So intentionally we are making the carry flag as 1 with the help of STC, that is set carry to 1, and then we are making it to 0 with CMC, that is complement carry. This is to be remember in this program. We are using the instruction ADCM, add memory, content of memory along with carry. When first addition is to be take place, at that time the carry flag should be 0. We don't know exactly what carry is having the number. It is either logical 1 or logical 0. Therefore, forcefully we have to make it 0. STC, it will set to 1. CMC, it becomes 0. It becomes 0. This instruction should be there in program. Now the rest of the program is very easy. LXI 2200H, HL is loaded with 2200 number. Then LXID 2300, DE is having number 2300. You have to add 4-byte number, therefore counter should be there in register C, that is 04, that is equal to 04. And after each and every addition, the counter should get decremented by 1. MVIC 04, C is equal to 04, STC and CMC, the carry flag becomes 0. LDAXD, DE represented in green, therefore the number B2 is brought to the accumulator. It is brought to the accumulator. ADCM, content of memory is added content of memory is added, that is 46 is added. Here B2 plus 46, F8 is the answer. Carry is not generated, it is 0. It is 0. It is to be considered for the next addition. Move A to M. This F8 is to be stored to memory. Memory is represented in yellow. That means content of 2204, it changes from 46 and it becomes F8. Next, go to the next. HL should increment by 1. INXH, INXD, DE is incremented by 1. Decrement C, one addition takes place. That means here content of C becomes 3. Content of C becomes 3. Jump not 0. This is not 0. Therefore, jump to the label up. Whatever the instruction is there, at that label it gets executed. LDAXD. That means DE represents the memory. Go to that memory, take the number E5, bring it to the accumulator. Next, ADCM. HL represents the memory. Whatever number is there, add that number, that is a 24, along with carry. Carry is 0. The answer is 0, 9. And his answer is stored to the memory. That means here 0, 9 is stored to the memory. This content gets erased, overwritten. INXH, it becomes 2202. INXD, it becomes 2302. Decrement C, it becomes 2. That means 2 bytes are to be yet to be added. Jump not 0, it is not 0. LDAXD. DE with green. The number 2D comes to the accumulator. The number 2D comes to the accumulator. Next, here in this addition, carry generated as 1. Next, ADCM 25 is added here along with carry. The answer is 53. This 53 is stored to the memory. Memory in yellow. It is stored at memory 53. This number gets erased. Next, INXH, INXD. Go to the next memory. Here go to the next memory. Decrement, it becomes 0, 1. Still it is not 0. Go to the label LDAXD. The number 4E is taken to the accumulator. ADCM, C9 is added. The result becomes 17. Carry is generated as 1. Store this result to memory. This 17 is stored here to the memory. It becomes INXH, it becomes 2, it becomes 2204, 2204, INXD, it also becomes 2304, decrement C, it becomes 0. As it becomes 0, don't go to the label instruction up, jump not 0. If not 0 is there, then you have to take jump. But at present 0 is there. Next instruction gets executed, that is halt. Program stops the execution of program. Here is the program. We are executing this program step by step. Go to the first step. All contents become 0. LXIH 2200, 2200. LXID 2300, 2300. MVIC 04, C becomes 04. STC, CMC, STC carry flag is set to 1. CMC carry flag becomes 0. LDAXD, here DE represents number B2. It is transferred to accumulator. Add the content of memory, it becomes F8, and then go to the move A to M instruction. Here number gets change, here you will get F8. Now the same is repeated INX H, INX D, and same procedure is repeated. Directly I will execute the program. After execution of the program, you will get the content as F8, 09, 53 and 17. Whatever I have explained in the program, same contents you are getting here. Now the same, already the program is entered in the kit. Only we have to check the numbers, data, reset, set memory 2200, increment 46, 24, 25, C9, increment reset, set memory 2300, increment B2, E5, 2D and 4E. Now execute the program, reset, go 2000 and execute the program. After execution, check the result at 2200, reset, set memory 2200, increment, you will get result F8, 09, 53 and 17. Whatever result we got at the time of explanation of the program, same result we are getting here also.